Namaste to all. Welcome back to An Article a Day Creates an Excellent Way, the smart way to enhance your vocabulary and expressive skill. I am Shivangi, student of class 12th, Kendra Vidyalaya Malkangiri. I am going to read out today's article to you. Here is the today's article. Mindfulness. Mindfulness is a word we hear a lot this day. But what exactly does it mean? Find out what it is, what the benefit of mindfulness are, and how you can start to practice it. Have you ever driven somewhere and realized when you arrived that you could not really remember anything about the journey? Or have you ever eaten a whole packet of biscuit when you were planning to only have one? Or have you stayed up much later than you planned? Or ever all night watching just one more episode of a TV series? All of this example of mindlessness. When we live this way, we are not fully awake and not fully living our lives. What exactly is mindfulness? When we are mindful, we are more conscious of our thoughts, our actions, and what is happening around us. We might notice a beautiful sunset or really listen carefully to what a friend is saying, rather than planning what we are going to say next. We are also more aware of our own feelings and our own thoughts. John Kabat-Zinn, who has done a lot to make mindfulness popular, says mindfulness is paying attention on purpose in the present moment and without judging. So, we are consciously deciding what to pay attention to. We are not worrying about the past or planning for the future, and we are not trying to control or stop our thoughts or feelings. We are just noticing them. Why is mindfulness so popular now? For most people, life is getting busier and busier. Technology means that we always have something to do and there are not much opportunity to just be. People are often doing 2 or 3 things at the same time. Texting while watching TV or even looking at their phone while watching along the pavement. People are working longer hours and bringing work home. All this can make us stressed, and mindfulness can be a way to reducing the stress. What are the benefits of mindfulness? Research shows that mindfulness reduces stress and depression. It can help you to concentrate, have a better memory, and to think more clearly. It can also help people to manage pain better and to improve their sleep. And it can even help you lose weight because you won't eat that whole packet of biscuit without thinking. How to become more mindful? Mindfulness Day is celebrated on 12 September. So, maybe that would be a good day to try a few mindfulness techniques and see if they make a difference. But of course, you can try this on any of the year. A very simple technique that you could try right now is to close your eyes for a couple of minutes and count how many sounds you can hear. This will help to focus you on what is happening right now. Another technique is to Focus on a piece of food, typically a reason instead of eating it without thinking. Slow down. Look carefully at it and notice how it feels in your finger. Smell it, then put it on your tongue and taste it. Only then start to eat it slowly, noticing how it feels and how it tastes. Both of these techniques force you to slow down and focus on the present moment. And there are plenty of other ideas you can find online if you want to try mindfulness of yourself. Special words that have been taken from article are: first, realize. To understand a situation something suddenly. They did not realize the danger they were in. Pavement. The surface of a road when it has been covered with concrete or tarmac. The car was parked awkwardly across the pavement. Raisin, a dried black grape. They were fed with banana, papaya, and raisin. Thank you so much.